Welcome to Custom Fab Garage. On this episode, we're going to go over a wide-body Mini Cooper. This is going to be episode 10, the last episode of the actual wide-body that we're building. So this is going to go over basically the front two fender flares or wide-body that we built. This is going to go over us wrapping them, installing them, and the final processes of the vehicle. That includes, this whole vehicle was covered in overspray, had a white haze all over it. From the previous person that attempted to do the wide body, if you watch some of our previous episodes, this vehicle was covered in a whole entire haze. It looked almost white. It didn't even appear to look like the KPMF wrap that was on there. It looked terrible. So we had to have somebody come in, polish it, clean it up. It was terrible. They also got rubbing compound, polishing compound from where somebody had buffed a car next to it and it shot all over the car. There was tape residue, resin, there was stuff all over the car. We did the best that we could to get it out of there. Spent an extensive amount of time trying to clean this car up and salvage some of the wrap that was on there. So this video is going to majorly go into that detail of finishing up the front two wide body, fender flares on the Mini Cooper, showing the process of it being put back together, the final completion, and then basically completing the extensive amount of detailing and what I want to say polishing of the wrap to get off all of the overspray and the residue and everything that was on the vehicle. So this video is going to go over all of that. We might make a full completion from basically start to finish of this whole entire process. Not quite sure on that yet, but there will be a video after this, which will be episode 11, that will just go over all the audio build of the new audio that we put in this vehicle. So stay tuned. Car.
Somebody got bent over that hood. I think that might. Oh, damn it. Looks like somebody's bent over.
And overspray. There's spray paint, tape lines. Look at Dustin go, man. It's the first car I've ever seen Dustin. He can touch the roof. It's like, yeah, let me get it real nice like. Yeah, why don't you go ahead and touch my toes with it. Yeah, oh, you can just hear it. Just hear it? Oh, so much contamination and overspray. Got that oxidation on that wrap.
It's a lot better color.
so nice. Will you wax on, wax off for me? That's the face of a killer. Oh, that shit's nice.